What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. So on the video today, I've got my model Chelsea. We're going to be cutting a one length long bob haircut, which is what she got previously, but you can see some layering that happened in that cut. So what I want to do is share with you guys my technique to where I'm going to go through, I'm going to cut a one length bob. We're going to do that first, and then I'm going to show you guys how to take out weight without actually exposing layering within the cut. All right, so we're working on that one length, no elevation. That's what I want you guys to focus on. I don't put any of the hair on my fingers at this point. We're below occipital bone, so it's really at its lowest point. I want to keep that that heaviness of the line, so I just continue all the way up the head shape, no elevation, until I get to about the crown area, and that's when I'm going to start putting it in my fingers and traveling around the head shape. So just continuing to cut that balanced line in the back all the way up the head. All right, so now you can see I'm working it in my fingers. So I got a one finger elevation. That's just gonna soften it a little bit, because as that head starts to curve away, everything's gonna get heavier and heavier. The lower you hold the hair, the heavier it is. So I wanna hold the hair in my hands to have a little bit more control, and I'm also gonna start working around the head. So watch my fingers, they work parallel to the parting, that's the key, and I'm just gonna work around the head shape, around that shoulder. So just watch as my fingers start to rotate, my body position starts to shift a little bit, and I just follow that line.